In this video, I'll teach you how to make the best profile pictures without putting any effort or time by just following a simple formula of only 3 steps. This process consists of 3 simple steps that will make your profile picture improve massively. First of all, you should go to the new Google Labs image generator called Whisk. However, it's only available in the United States, so you may need to use a VPN such as Windscribe or NordVPN to access it. You should scroll down and click Start from Scratch. Then insert an image of your character into the subject box and enter a text of the style you want into the style box. Once it ends loading, you can generate the image, and if you get bad results, I suggest typing things in the text bar, such as keep the Roblox style, put him with a fighting face, make it epic, or put him in a fighting pose. From all the results, I chose this one. Now let's generate the text. I used another new Google Labs image generator called ImageFX. I told AI to make an epic text saying Batala Opiol without a background, and it gave me this results, which I don't really like. So I told AI to make it with a white background, make it gold and 3D, and it generated this awesome text. Then I used Remove Image to remove the background from the image, and then I used Figma to put the text on the character image. You can use any other program to do it. You can also increase the saturation a little bit. I'll see you in the next video.